speak. What's up, guys? It's Daniela, and today we're talking volume. So, I have 5 tips to help you achieve the volume that you've been looking for. So let's get right into the video. So, tip number 1, and I know a lot of you don't want to hear this, but get your hair cut. So if you're like me and you don't have thick hair, I highly recommend going to a hair salon, going to someone who knows how to cut hair and can give you the shape that you need to give you the volume that you're looking for. Tip number 2, use less or lighter consistency products. So I know we've all seen those videos on Instagram where you see a girl squeezing like a whole tube of product on her hand and then like smearing it all over her hair. No, we're not here to do that. The less product you put on your hair, the less your hair is weighed down, so the more volume you're gonna get. I highly recommend hair milks, hair gels, or just like lighter consistency hair creams. Those are usually a lot lighter on your hair and they won't weigh your hair down as much. Tip number 3, style outward. I know a lot of people like styling their hair and like raking their hair downwards. You don't want to do that. Yeah. So you want to style outward so you're not clumping all your hair together, making it look flat. So you also want to style outward because you're pulling your hair from your root. So instead of styling it downward and making it flat, you're styling it outward so you're pulling it from the root and giving it more volume. Tip number 4. I cannot emphasize this enough, guys. Break the gel cast. Break the product cast, the curly hair cream cast, break the gel cast. I'm tired of people looking like they just stepped out of the shower, complaining about how they don't know how to get their hair more voluminous. Break the gel cast. What I usually do, if it's available, I use like a hair oil, just like a little drop, and I kind of like pull on my hair a little bit and it gives it that added shine. But if I'm on the go, I just pull on my hair, like rub it back, and you'll see instant results. Like you'll see your hair get instantly more voluminous as soon as you break the cast. And lastly, pick your hair. I don't know how many people like doing this, but I love doing this. Pick your hair. It helps. Now, I'm not saying go ahead and start picking it from the front and creating frizz. No, none of that. So I don't know if you guys saw my previous video, but let's say for example I want to get more volume right here. I flip it over and I just start picking at it. And then you flip it back and it's instantly more voluminous. You see that? So pick your hair, ladies. I cannot emphasize this enough. And those are my 5 tips for instantly more voluminous hair. Comment down on what you want to see and I can make more videos like these. Bye. Straight up in right hand. Man, I lick 2 shots in the air. We no fear, we no care for the hype, man.